Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the Gamer Hacker. It is your boy Hack here, and today we are playing
Minecraft.
first time playing Minecraft
And it's
on the
two
channel.
players.
And it's double players.
Why did you throw your armor?
I don't need that. I don't want that.
Then I'll take it.
Dude, I had full.
Okay, what are we gonna build today in Skyblock? We have already played this game, so we're playing it on the channel right now.
I had a stinking house. That's why you see dirt marks on the play in everywhere here.
Now we're gonna build a new house.
I built PS a new house, and
we could show you one montage of this
okay. So here's
in
the
3,
2, 1. Here's the
go.
montage of PS's house, guys. Yeah. That's PS's house. Like you saw PS's house.
If you like that house, like and
subscribe down
and
below.
comment down.
Comment down below whose house you will like most after this video, because I don't have a house right now and we're
I
going
kind
to
of
build
have
it.
an Among Us type of house. I don't know why.
Because if you look at the picture,
It's
from
kind of
the
an
back,
Among Us
it's kind of an Among Us shaped house.
And vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get started.
Let's get started, guys.
How kind of a house do you want to build? I got some shulker boxes for you.
And I got some.
Can I throw your armor to you? Because I got it.
Yeah.
Just take your armor back. I don't need it.
It's almost morning. It's time
To start.
Okay. Okay. So let's get started by making the walls.
Yeah. With which material do you want it?
You see,
With concrete?
I got.
Okay,
concrete.
then I'll buy concrete.
Should we like expand this place?
Yeah,
Yes.
I got a lot of.
Yeah, guys.
I got like 2 stacks of.
Okay, guys.
dirt.
So
See you after the fast forward.
there was a fast forward of me filling in the whole grass
And me being the cameraman in the sky.
In the sky,
Yeah.
and let's
get building.
building. So here's the chest.
You got any white concrete for me, bro? You should
here you
have.
go.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, man. You're so nice.
Now let
But
me
not
make-
enough. That's half a stack.
Wait, this belongs to me. Yeah. Okay, now let's get building.
Yeah. Let's start building. That was our like previous song we did in our first videos. Like
Which
yeah.
song?
Yeah, which we made in Exploration or Megacraft. Let's start building. Remember that?
What song? What is that, dude?
Yeah, I
literally
sung that.
don't remember.
I remember that a little bit. Should we start building?
Yeah, don't mind the mess I made.
Yeah,
Okay,
where do we make the house first?
dude,
What?
make it from start it from the place I'm starting
Okay.
it from.
Okay, I'll do the back.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
Guys, so we have finally built the walls. Now it's time for the floor.
Yeah. I got a stack of spruce, which we're gonna use for the floor.
Okay, let's go, guys.
This is gonna be a good episode.
Yes. Are you sure about this? Because it's our first Minecraft video and we don't even know how to control it.
What Control what?
You don't even know how to control the Minecraft thing, and
Character?
it's hard.
No, it's easy.
I'll break every block you place by mistake.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, okay, dude.
Me.
And you misplaced two of them.
Yeah.
Dude, you wanna throw me down or something?
Yeah, I really want to.
What the heck is wrong with you? And you misplaced one again. Let me do it.
I'm going nuggets, so that's the reason I'm misplacing.
Not nuggets.
I am.
You're going nuts.
No, I'm going nuggets.
Oh my god.
You're Film Master Luke. Not Hack
Hmm.
Master.
Uh,
Funny jokes with PS and Hack.
that makes sense.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
Come on, dude. Are you placing them?
Yeah, Can you just break the grasses?
I am.
Thank God you're doing that. Because I would take years.
By the way, guys, we will give you a tour after we are done making the floor.
Yeah.
Tour of my place and PS.
And a montage. And we're gonna do a house challenge.
House challenge, yeah.
The most votes gets the win.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be PS's house because I took like 1 or 2 hours making it.
No, it didn't. That took that much time.
Okay, just do it.
Now
Move
you're
the floor.
overacting. Okay.
You're such a misplacer. Let me break that now.
And just place that somewhere. Just do
Not,
it quick.
it's not easy fixing up your mess, PS.
It is.
No, it's not. What the heck?
Oh, I'm out of blocks, but I got.
But your
I
boy
got
is,
one.
But your boy is finishing it and.
Oh, last.
We
Oh, we got.
what the heck? We needed to finish it. All.
Idea. Let's just put one oak plank. It would look.
Looks disturbing. And
This
all
will
of
be
that.
the specialist block.
specialist
of this
block
house.
of this whole house.
Yeah.
And we need doors.
And I guess. I don't know. Can you buy some glass? It would be really
I
nice.
already have some.
Oh, then just place it.
Where?
Should I get glass from my island? I think I got some
From where?
from my place. But I didn't think so.
I do
should
have
get-
some white stained
Oh, yeah.
glass.
Can I have
Let's,
some?
I'm gonna make some windows.
Yeah, can you just buy some glass and give me?
You?
Yeah, because I don't have a single penny. Yeah, I could say I have a lot of pennies, but no money.
What do you mean?
I don't have.
Makes seriously no sense.
I have no money. I have only cents. That means you get it.
Oh yeah. I get it.
I don't have any dollars. I only have cents. Okay, now
I
just
made
drop
a
some glass.
tiny window. 3,
Drop.
2, 1, go.
Ready?
That's all you
Oh,
get.
that sucks. Oh, 5 glass?
I
That's
only
so
have 12
rude.
left, dude.
You're so rude for so long. I'm gonna do this, okay? Just come and look. It's gonna be.
No, I'm gonna make the
really
windows.
Okay, you make the windows. I made the glass.
You got to look outside of your house and see what the weather's like every day, dude.
Yeah.
That's why windows are an important thing in the human's life.
You could just check it from your phone.
And it's also a superpower, by the way.
Yeah.
You can look through walls. Get it?
Yeah.
Get it? Windows, superpowers, looking through walls.
Oh, I'm out
Wow.
of glass, but I got some good stuff. You got any glass left? Yeah, you got a
I
lot.
only got 6 left on my
Whatever, that's like a lot.
Oh my god, I misplaced glass and you don't get glass once you misplace it.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yes, sucks a lot.
Sucks. Sucks a lot.
Oh, I almost misplaced the last block I had.
Did you misplace?
And here is what the house is looking like.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, not bad.
You like the thing?
Yeah, let me fix one thing.
Oh,
I
there's
don't
yeah,
like
there's
about it.
some concrete over here which you took. You stole it from me.
Yeah.
Sucks again. Sucks again.
Okay, now we also got to make the roof, guys.
The roofs.
We might make some pillars.
What are we? I already had a stack of white concrete and I didn't even know it. I think I
Oh.
bought it before the video started even. I think we're gonna make the.
Wait, there's a problem.
Should we make the?
Make the
Should
wall.
we make the roof with concrete as well? It would be nice
Yes, it would be nice.
because it would be not finished.
Okay, perfect. Okay, you start making your part of the place. I'm gonna make mine.
Thank God the laptop isn't having
lagging.
any problems. Yeah.
Yeah,
Or we
it's,
wouldn't record this video
or else we wouldn't have recorded this video and our laptop would shut down
by itself. I don't know
by
why.
itself and
How?
we don't even know why.
Yeah, and how?
And what do you mean by how?
Yeah, and why? How? I would-
Okay, how much you got? You
I got
a
like
lot.
30.
Do you mind giving me some?
Fine, I
I'm
guess.
also gonna make my own house, dude.
Take some.
I'm not like useless or a guy.
You
I
blindfolded.
didn't even get one of that.
I threw like half. Oh yeah, I picked it up.
You picked it up. You want to
Go take
stupid
it.
Guy.
Oh, I have 2 left, man. I dropped all of it. Now you could do the thing.
Okay.
We're gonna make the second floor in another video,
Yeah,
yeah?
we might make the second floor in the next video, guys.
Yeah.
Stay tuned on the channel. By the way, in our previous video, we gave a shout out to a guy named MeloQ.
He gave us a shout out.
Back.
And please subscribe to him.
Go subscribe to him. Link in the description down below. And while you're at it, subscribe to us too.
Yeah. That would help us
That
really,
would
really,
help
really,
us a
really.
lot.
We
Okay.
need some lighting. Go buy some lighting, bro. You like have
Yeah.
1,000.
Yeah, I only have 1,000, aka 500.
Yeah.
Shop. What do we need? We need lighting.
Yeah. You
And
could buy
is that
some,
in building blocks.
yeah. Buy some sea lantern. It would look really cool and it would give a lot of light.
You sure about that, kid?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm not a kid, okay? First of all, you're a kid.
Oh, it's fine.
I'm doing some
I'm gonna get glowstone. I don't care.
whatever. A stack is 2k. You can't afford
Stack
that.
is 2K. I could only get
Not
4.
okay. Buy 4.
I got 4.
Place it on the roof.
Place it on the
In
roof.
the roof. I'll just break some places where you should.
In the
place.
middle, in the middle. Break it in the middle.
Yeah, break 4. Yeah, you should.
Yeah.
Oh, that's by mistake. I'll place that. Okay, now that's good.
Okay. Now.
Now you could place
Boom,
glowstone.
boom, boom. And there we have it.
The house is done. We're gonna do the interior decorating in the
Interior
second
decorating will be in the
second video. Where
second
we
video.
will do this.
Where will we do the
Second floor.
second floor and the interior decorating of
Yes.
it. And we might add some carpet. Might add.
Should
a
we show them
kitchen.
the underground base we made? Like
Okay, I will do. You are the cameraman, and let me
Yeah.
show you guys. Wait,
Wait.
but let me shut it. Let's restart the whole thing, guys.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Once you enter it, open. Click this lever.
First room
You-
should we go?
Bedroom.
Okay.
This is the lever you could shut the door with from outside.
Because we only
now
have
if, now if you go look outside, there's no exit. And now once I click this lever again,
The
there's
door
an exit.
opens.
Yeah,
Now let's go to the brewing room.
yeah. There's also a brewing room in here. How do you shut the door on my face, kid?
I don't know.
And
Look, this chest has
some brewing
everything you
stuff.
need.
and
brew.
you got a brewing stand and some nether wart.
Yeah, Netherwort farm.
What, I don't know why people call it this nether wart disgusting.
Yeah, it's not that
Some
disgusting.
people really
Go.
I don't know the reason. Come on, PS, or else I'm gonna lock you in
I
my
mean,
base.
it's looking like there's a shed. There's light on there.
Yeah.
Light on this block.
Okay, so now let's show them the sugarcane farm.
Yeah, we made that by a tutorial.
No, we made it ourselves. We
But
didn't
I
like-
saw a tutorial and
You
then
saw a tutorial and then we made it.
it works. It's
But
automatic.
It really
Look,
works and it's an automatic.
I'm not gonna take it, but because
You
it's
better
yours.
not, or else I'm
I
kicking
have
you off
some.
my island.
Oh no, I don't. Have.
We also got an enchanting
Enchanting.
area, and we also got infinite water.
Yeah, infinite water resource.
And we also got a garden here. I forgot to show you guys one thing.
Yeah,
There's a once you stand get over here,
you could see everything
you
from
can
this.
see down under our base. We
It's
made-
like a nether themed
it's
underground
like
base.
a blue themed underground base.
So should we end the video right here? I think we should.
I pretty much think we should. Well,
So let's end the video. So see you when we're gaming. Hey guys, I made a new channel. It's called PS Plays. You could go subscribe it. It's in link in the description. Feel free to subscribe it, and I would love you guys to subscribe it. And thanks a lot for that.
and before you guys leave this video, I just wanted to say shout out to MeloQ and his channel. His channel will be linked in the description below. So go subscribe to him, and while you're at it, subscribe to us. So see you when we're
Gaming again.
bye.